Hi everyone. Today I'm going back to a two-side knitting pattern that I showed you months ago. In the first video, I presented it knitted with a thick yarn for a winter application. Recently, in search of a loose scarf pattern, I knitted a sample with it and was surprised at the good result. I'll show you how to make this light airy double-sided mesh with a spiderweb-like texture. The scheme consists of 3 loops and 1 row. Knit the same way on both sides. Purl 1, yarn over, and purl 2 together. Again, purl 1, yarn over, and purl 2 together. Purl 1, yarn over, and purl 2 together. Purl 1, yarn over, and purl 2 together. I highly recommend this airy web of loops knitted from thin yarn for luxurious summer applications such as transparent air blouses, beach tunics, summer capes, and luxurious scarves. I hope you'll find this stitch useful in your next projects. Please tap the like button if you found the video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click the icon of my Etsy Knit Not Space Shop or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this. And I am excited to see you soon.